Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to brand new video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you one more premium room on Vmos Pro, and the room that I'm going to be sharing with you on this time is going to be with Android 10. Root is going to be installed as well, working perfectly. Google Play Store is going to be working as well, where you're going to be able to download any kind of game that you want to install on it and play. Very nice. It's a very stable room. The link will be available in the description of this video. So let's get started. But before getting started, I want to ask you, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, activate the notification to get notified about new video, and let's get started. So as I just said, I'm going to be sharing with you premium room on Vmos Pro. The room that I'm going to be sharing with you on this time, as I just said, is going to be with Android 10. TWRP is going to be working perfectly. Google Play Store is going to be working. It's a very stable room. So let's get started making some changes on your Android device. We need to make some changes on your Android device to make the Vmos Pro work faster. So go to setting of your Android device, scroll down to the last option. We need to activate the developer option. Scroll down to the last option, about phone or about device. There you're going to find this option saying build the number. Clicking on it around 7 times on build the number to activate the developer option. We need to unlock the developer option. But to do that, to unlock the developer option, just click on build the number around 7 times. I have already did that. I am already a developer, as you can see. Once you have the developer option activated, what you're going to just return. By doing that, you will have the developer option unlocked on your Android device. If you can't find this option, developer option, on this list, you can just simply go over here in the corner and the cheesy icon right over there to find developer option. Clicking on it and type it there, developer option. By doing that, you will have the developer option. Just clicking on it, it will open it up this window, developer option. If it is disabled as mine, just click right over here in the corner and this icon to enable it. All right, scroll down. We need to enable sunset. Scroll down here on window animation skill. Right over here, we need to put the animation off. Put the animation off. Transition animation, do the same process, put the animation off as I did on window animation. Animator duration, right over here, put the animation off as well. Alright, here on 40 GPU rendering, you need to enable this option if you have 1 GB or 2 GB of RAM memory. If you have 4 GB or higher, you don't need to enable this option, 40 GPU rendering. Scroll down. Make sure to enable this option here saying 4xMSAA enabled. Okay, now you need to download the Vmos Pro. The link will be available on the description of this video. You need to download the same version that I'm gonna be using on this tutorial. I'm gonna be using 1.0.0. The link will be available in the description of this video. Download the application. It doesn't have a virus installed on your Android device. Once you have the Vmos Pro installed on your Android device, alright, now once you have the Vmos Pro installed on your Android device, now you need to download the room. The link will be available on the description of this video. The room with the premium room with Android 10 on it. Root is working perfectly. Google Play Store. So download this file, the room that I'm talking about. The link will be available in the description of this video. Download. Once you have the file once you downloaded the file, the premium room, what you're going to do next, you are going to create a new folder and name it as Vmos Pro, as I did right over here. Open the folder you have created, the Vmos Pro. Open it up, and there you're going to create another folder and name it as backup, as I did right over here. Open the backup folder and you need to put the file here, the premium room with root SS with Android 10. Put the premium room on the backup folder. Okay, now what you're going to do, just to open it up, the application, the Vmos Pro. Open the app. Open the application. Give you all the control to the application. I have already did that. I have already just to give you all the permission to the application. You don't need to worry about it. This application is 100% safe. It won't harm your device. Just to open the application and give you all the control to the app. In my case, I'm just going to click right over here, add virtual machine. By doing that, it will show up this window because I'm not connected on internet. We don't need internet connection, don't need to worry about it. What you're going to do, just to click right over here on these three dots right over here in the corner. Click on it. By doing that, it will open this window. Just to click on the first one, which is saying recover virtual machine. Clicking on it, we are going to recover virtual machine. By doing that, you will have there the premium room with Android 10 with root access. Just click on it, and by doing that, Vmos Pro will ask you if you really want to do that. Just click on start rec. By doing that, the Vmos Pro will start recovering your file. What you have to do, just to be patient and wait. It won't take too long, just 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on your device. Just wait a little bit. Alright, as you can see, the room has initialized. It's going to be just like this, very beautiful, very clean, very faster. Okay, with Android 10 installed, root access installed, working perfectly. It's a very nice room. The link will be available on the description of this video. As you can see, very nice, very clean, very useful. Android 10 working perfectly, everything working. Everything working perfectly. Android version 10 working perfectly, pretty cool, pretty easy to install. The link will be available on the description of this video. Android version 10. As you can see, Android 10 installed without a hard on your device. Pretty cool, pretty simple, pretty safe. Alright, with the SS installed on a Google Play Store, working as well perfectly. You can download any kind of game that you want to install. Okay, the SS, as you can see, SUPERSU, the SS working perfectly. The link will be available in the description of this video. As I just said, just follow all the steps and you will have there a Android 10 running on your Android device. It doesn't matter the phone you're using, it doesn't matter the version you're using. This is gonna be working on any Android device, on any Android version. Okay guys, I will start from here. Hope this video help you out. If this video help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Activate the notification to get notified about new video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.